Assalamu alaikum students and good afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are doing great. So kids, are you excited to have your first social studies virtual class with me? Okay students, I'm sure you have already read the rules and regulations of attending virtual class. Okay kids, let me know if you can't hear me. Is there if you cannot see the screen, if there is any problem in watching the screen, let me know in the chat box. Okay, so now I am going to tell you the things that you must have before attending virtual class. Number one, you should be having your social studies textbook, your social studies copy 2, and your pencil case. Because in today's lecture, in today's class, we are also going to do our written work as well. Okay? And if there is any query regarding my voice, regarding if a screen is not visible, you can tell me in the chat box. Okay? Okay, let's begin now. So, the chapter that we are going to discuss today is religion and languages. Okay, students, you have to open your book, your social studies book. This chapter is on page 90. Open your books, page 90. In this chapter, we are going to talk about what is meant by religion. We are also going to discuss different religions that are being followed all over the world, like Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, and we are also going to talk about different languages that are spoken in Pakistan. Yes, beta, we are going to do copy work as well. First, we will discuss the chapter. Hashir. Okay. Walaikum salam, Usman. Let's focus on the lecture. Okay. So, this is the page from your book. All of you have opened your books. Let me know. Show me your books. Okay. Religion and languages. The culture of a country. First of all, what is meant by a culture? Culture means all the knowledge and values shared by a society or group of people. For example, if we talk about the culture of Pakistan, do you think there are many cultures in Pakistan? Yes, because every province has its own culture. Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Quetta, they all have different cultures. And what culture is made up of? The culture of a country is made up of its traditions, customs, religions, languages, science, foods, arts, including literature, architecture, painting, music, and dance and handicrafts. Okay, kids, underline these three lines. This is telling what a culture is made up of, right? Yes, Ummi Habiba? Any problem? Okay, let's continue. Now, again, on this page, you can see religion. Now we are going to first we have talk about culture. Now we are going to talk about religion. What is religion? Our country is called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Underline this line. Nearly 96% of the population are Muslims. The other 4% are people of other faiths, including Christians, Buddhists, Hindus, Sikhs, and Parsis. Every Pakistani is free to follow. Okay, is my voice coming to you? Can you hear me? Kindly let me know in the chat box. Can you hear me? Amar Nawaz, kindly check your settings. Yes, everyone can hear me. Okay, good. Okay, so beta, what is religion? Religion is actually a set of beliefs that people follow. There are different religions in the world, they all have different set of beliefs. Religion is a set of belief which tell us that what is the purpose of our life is, how the universe was made. Religion usually involves worship of a god and belief in certain ideas about right and wrong behavior. Every religion have different beliefs. Religion actually tell us about to whom we worship, and it tells about the right and wrong paths. Clear? So what is a religion? Religion is a set of beliefs which tell us to whom we worship, and it tells about the right and wrong path that we should follow. Clear? Okay. So here you can see main religions that are being followed in the world. The main religions that are being followed in the world are Islam, Sikhism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Christianity. Okay, beta, can you hear me? Everyone, please tell me, can you hear me? Okay, so the different religions that we follow all over the world are okay, good. So now can you name different religions that are being followed over all over the world? You must know the main names of main religions: Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, Jainism, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Okay, moving forward. Okay, now again, from this is page from your book. Keep your pencil in your hands. Islam. First of all, we are going to talk about Islam. There are many Islamic countries as Islam has spread to all parts of the world. The followers of Islam are called Muslims. Underline this line. The followers of Islam are called Muslims. People who follow the religion Islam are called Muslims. Muslims believe that there is only one God called Allah. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the last messenger of Allah. The Holy Quran was revealed to him. Muslims believe that all people are equal before Allah. They also believe that those who follow the teachings of the Quran and do good for others will be rewarded when they will die with an afterlife in paradise. So, beta, as we are talking about religion Islam, right? Muslims have five main beliefs. Do you know what those beliefs are? A true Muslim have five main beliefs. Beta, is there any problem, Jeshna? Can you hear me, or is there any problem in watching the screen? This is page 90. Okay, students, let me know. Can you see the screen? Just say yes in the chat box. Can you see the screen? Is the screen visible to all of you? Okay, good. Chale, let's continue. Islam. As we are talking about Islam, there are five beliefs that a Muslim must have. Number one, a true Muslim must believe in Allah as the one and only God. Number two, they believe in angels. सबसे पहले we believe on one and only God, that is Allah. We worship only one God, that is Allah. Number two, we believe in angels. We have a faith that there are angels. Angels means farishte. Yes, let me complete first. Page number is 90. Okay. Third belief is that a Muslim believe in the holy books. Fourth, they believe in the prophets like Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam, and Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. And the last belief that a Muslim must have is the belief in the day of judgment. So these are the five beliefs that a Muslim must have. Number one, the faith, belief in Allah as the one and only God. They believe in angels, they believe in holy books, they believe in prophets, and they believe in the day of judgment. Okay, now moving forward. So there are five pillars of Islam. I'm sure you all know the five pillars of Islam. Shahada. Number one, Shahada, Salah, Zakat, Hajj, and fasting. Shahada means Shahadat dena, testify. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his last messenger. This is known as Shahada. Number two, Salah. Salah means offering namaz, offering prayer 5 times a day. I'm sure you all must try to offer prayer 5 times a day. You should offer prayer 5 times a day. Number three, zakat. Paying zakat, giving money or charity to the poor or needy people. Fourth pillar, Hajj. Going to pilgrimage to the house of Allah at Makkah. And the last one, fasting, means Roza Rakhna, fasting in the month of Ramadan. So these are the five pillars of Islam. Can you repeat us with me? Shahada, Salah, Zakat, Hajj, and fasting. Okay. So, beta, where do Muslims worship? Can you answer me in the chat box? Muslims कहाँ इबादत करते हैं? Where do Muslims worship? Yes, where do Muslims worship? Yes, very good, Abil Hassan. Muslims worship in masjid. The place where Muslims worship is known as masjid. Good beta, yes, I have seen all the answers. Very good, all of you. Umme Habiba, Mania, everyone. Okay, so the place where Muslims worship is known as masjid. Okay, moving forward. Here you can see the famous masjid in Pakistan. Here you can see two pictures. First one, can you tell me which one is what is the name of the first masjid? This is, yes, tell me. I'm waiting for your reply. Yes, beta, be quick, be fast. Very good, Abdul Samad. This is Faisal Mosque, which is located in Islamabad. And in the second picture, you can see this is Bashahi Masjid, which is located in Lahore. Very good. So these are the two famous. There are many famous masjid, but here I'm showing you two famous masjids in Pakistan. Number one is the Faisal Masjid, that is located in Islamabad, and the second one is the Badshahi Masjid, that is located in Lahore. Very good. Okay. So, the holy book of Muslims is Quran. The holy book that Muslims follow is known as Quran. Good. I'm sure सबको पता है ये बात, but we should talk about here. Okay. Next. Oh, the next religion that we are going to talk about is Hinduism. Okay, this is again on page 90. This is page from your book. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions in the world. Hindus pray in temples. Hindus pray in temples. Yes, beta, very good, Vania. Good. Their holy books are the four Vedas, the Upanishads, the Puranas, and the Bhagavad Gita. These are the four holy books. There are many holy books that Hindus follow, but there you can see there are four names. There are many Hindu temples in Pakistan. Some dating back to many hundreds of years ago. Okay, I think you all have highlighted this main point or underlined this point that Hinduism is one of the oldest religion in the world. As I have discussed already, that Hinduism is one of the oldest religions in the world. Okay, holy books. Now we are going to talk about the holy books that Hindus follow. Hindus do not have one specific holy book. They have a lot of books that they look to for guidance, but there is not one required text. One of these books is the Vedas. The Vedas, the holy Vedas. That this is the holy book that Hindus follow. And here you can see another book that is followed by Hindus, that is known as Bhagavad Gita. Okay, now tell me the two holy books, name of the two holy books that Hindus follow. Yes, hurry up, be quick, be fast. Very good, Abil Hassan. Very nice. Beta, many students are online and only two or three are replying. Yes, very good. Abdul Samad, Savera Kamran, good. Good, good. Okay, very nice. Very good response. Okay, and the place where Hindus pray is known as temples, जिसको हम मंदिर भी कहते हैं, right? Hindus pray in temples, right? The place where Hindus worship का क्या मतलब है? इबादत करना, जहाँ हिंदू इबादत करते हैं, that place is known as temples. And here you can see famous Hindu temples that are present in Pakistan. The first one is the Shri Varun Dev Temple, which is located in Manora, Shri Varun Dev Temple. And the second picture you can see, that is Katas Raj Temple. It is located in Punjab. Khalfan, if you have any question, you can ask me here. Is there any problem? Okay, so these are the two famous temples that are present in Pakistan, Shri Varun Dev and Katas Raj Temple. Okay, I think everything is clear now. So moving towards copy work. Okay, students, all of you open your copies. You must be having your copy too with you. Okay, open your copies and make the index. I think I don't have to tell you again that you have to write the name of the chapter, religion and languages, with blue color. Okay, now I am going to see you beta. I think okay, make the index religion and languages, and on the next line put on the date and write question 1 and question 2. Okay, Nabiha Ali, show me your copy, show me your index. Have you made the index? Okay, good, very good. Any other student? Usman? Where is Usman? Okay, beta, make the index like this as Nabiha has showed me. Done? Okay, good. Now, open your copies. First of all, you are going to make the title page. You are going to make the title page of chapter religion and languages. Okay, students, let me clear one thing. There is no need to draw any cartoon, any design, any flower on the title page. Just write the name of the chapter neatly, boldly with a blue color. Okay, make the title page of chapter religion and languages. Yes, Ramesa? What are you asking? Ramisa, yes. Okay, yes, I'm giving you time. When you are done with your index and your title page, then we will move forward. Kindly let me know when you are done with the title page. Okay, good, Abdul Samad. You don't have blue color, Umme Habiba? Umme, okay. Next time, keep it with you. Because you know that you have to make the title page with a blue color. Okay, good. Okay, Amar. Anshara. Beta, you have copy 2, so you have to do it in copy 2. Okay, good. Title page done. Now we are going to write the subtitles. Now we are going to write the subtitles. Can you clearly see the pages? I think yes, it is visible. Now give the heading of subtitles. Make sure your pencil or blue color is sharpened properly. Your writing should be very neat and tidy. Write in a proper way. I am giving you time. There is no need to hurry during the written work. Okay, subtitles. Now, first one is question answers. Now, write question answers. Okay. Second, answer in one word. Answer in one word. Whether you can make it on that page and you can make it on the four-line page also. It's up to you. But if you're writing if you're making the title page a little bigger, so you have to write it on the other page. Okay, Abdul. Okay. Next, we are also going to do the book exercises, book exercise A and B. Kindly let me know when you are done with your subtitles so we can move forward. Good, okay. Hamza, Abdul Samad, good. Other students, please let me know. Okay, good. Haris, Zainab. Okay, so we can move forward. Now, on the next page, you are going to put on the date. Today is 12/1 and 21. You are going to write CW because this is your classwork. This is not your homework. This is your classwork. This you are doing it as your classwork. So mention the date and write classwork. Is there any query you can ask me? Rumesa, index is you just have to write the chapter name and question number 1 and 2 with today's date. Why, Jeshna, both of your copies are at school? Okay, done. Chale, let's move to the questions. Question number 1. What is meant by culture? Write the question with a blue color. What is meant by culture? Zainab Siddiqui, what happened? Check your connections. Good, Manha. Very good. Question number 1. What is meant by culture? There is no need to hurry. Just make sure your writing should be very neat, very tidy, so there would be no problem for me in during correction, and there will be no problem for you as well during learning. Good, Abdul Samad. Okay, right. Now we are going to write the answer. Answer. Culture is the knowledge and values shared by a group of people. The culture of a country is made up of its tradition, customs, religions, languages, science, foods, arts, and literature. You have to write the answer. Make sure no need to hurry. बिल्कुल आराम से नीटली बहुत प्रॉपरली काम होना चाहिए as you do in your classes, in your in person physical classes. Just like that, you have to Hamza Hussain, why are you late? I gave enough time for the subtitles. Now write the answers. You can write the subtitles. Uh, you can when you see the recorded video. Okay. Do let me know when you are done with the answer. I am repeating the answer. Culture is the knowledge and values shared by a group of people. The culture of a country is made up of its tradition, customs, religions, languages, science, foods, arts, and literature. Okay, students, make sure they write the spellings carefully. Miss, I am asking. What are you asking, Hamza? Okay, you were drinking water. Okay, that's okay. You can write it after completing this work. So, how is it going? I'm sure you are enjoying it. Every कुछ नई चीज़ कर रहे हैं तो उसमें एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है तो मज़ा आ रहा होगा आप लोगों को इसमें भी इस तरह काम करने में भी it's a quite new experience for everyone. Anshara. Culture is the knowledge and values shared by a group of people. The culture of a country is made up of its traditions, customs, religions, languages, science, foods, arts, and literature. Okay, let me know in the comment in the chat box when you are done with it. Okay, Zainab, Maliha, other students, good. Make sure your writing should be neat. Okay, let me see. Okay, who is going to show me the copy? Nabiha, show me your copy. I can't see your copy. Better try to switch on your camera so I can see your work as well. Okay? Nabiha, have you done? Nabiha Ali, yes, I'm talking to you. Done? Okay. Okay, okay, I'm waiting. Rumesa, I can't see you. Is your camera open? Switch on your camera. Rumesa, yes. Okay, fine. Okay, let's move to the second question. Okay, Abil, wait. First, let's start the question two. Question two. Name the main religions of the subcontinent. I think I don't have to tell the names. You can write it by your own, right? Name the main religions of the subcontinent. There are many religions that are being followed in the subcontinent, like Islam, Buddhism, Christianity, Zoroastrianism. These are the main religions that are being followed in the subcontinent. Okay, so you are going to write the answer. Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism. These are the main religions of the subcontinent. Make sure you're writing, you're copying the correct spellings. Good. Okay. Let me switch on the cameras of yours. Make sure writing बहुत proper और बहुत neatly work हो, spelling mistakes ना हो. Do it very properly in a proper manner. Okay. So you are writing the main religions of the subcontinent: Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism are the main religions of the subcontinent. Faiz, what happened? My video is not on. Check out your connection. Yes. Okay, Iman Farooq, good, very good. Okay. Maliha, show me your copy. Maliha, can you hear me? Yes, show me your copy. Maliha, are you doing it in your classroom copy? Okay. Okay, okay. Good. And Usman, show me your copy. You are on question 1. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, well, start working. Yes, 5. Okay. Yes, Abdul Sadi, is there any question you want to ask? Okay, good. Yaman Farooq. Okay, beta. Have you done your work?
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, my camera is off and I do my work.
Okay, good. Very
I
good.
done my work.
Okay, good. Okay, beta. So today you just have 2 questions because this is our first class and we have to. But you are doing very good. Great job, all of you. Okay, Zainab, it's okay. Make sure your writing should be very neat, proper. Okay, so today we have done 2 questions. What is meant by culture? Culture is the knowledge and values shared by a group of people. The culture of a country is made up of its traditions, customs, religions, languages, science, foods, arts, and literature. Okay, Abil, I'm going to unmute you and you are going to read the answer 1. What is meant by culture? Okay, Abil Hassan. Yes, read it
Miss,
out loud.
I open. Miss, please open my camera. I show you my
It's
work.
okay, it's okay, it's okay. But you have written the answer now, so read it out loud so everyone can hear you. What is meant by culture? Read out the answer.
Culture is the knowledge and values shared by a group of people. The culture of a country is made up of its trade, traditions,
Yes.
costume,
Customs.
religion,
Hmm.
languages, science, food, arts, and
Very good. And yes, literature.
literature.
Okay, good, very good. Okay. Name the main religions of the subcontinent, and I am going to unmute. Ayman Farooq, read out the answer that you have written. Ayman Farooq.
Teacher.
Yes, beta, read it out. Have you done?
Yes.
Okay, read it out. The names of the religions of the subcontinent. Read out the answer.
Islam,
Hmm.
Hindu,
Hinduism.
Christian,
Hindu.
Hinduism,
Yes.
Christianity,
Christianity.
Christianity,
Very good. Next.
Christianity,
Yes.
Silk his,
Sikhism.
Silk his,
Yes.
Buddhism,
Buddhism. Good.
Zoro,
Zoroastrianism.
Zoroastrianism
Yes. These are the main
are
religions.
the main religions of the subcontinent.
Okay, good, good, very good, right. Okay, I think most of you have done very good. Yes, okay, good, good, right. So, kids, moving forward. Yes, who is asking? Okay, good. All of you have done the work, right? Kindly respond in yes so I can move towards the end. Where Ume Habiba? Ume Abiha? Okay, right. So, let me ask you questions while others are doing the work. Let me ask. Can you tell me the place where Hindus worship? Askari. Askari Hassan. Yes. Yes, tell me the place where Hindus worship. Yes. Hindus worship in? Hurry up, tell me. We are running out of time. I can't hear you. Kindly tell, let me know in the chat box. Answer बताइए अस्करी बताएंगे मुझे अस्करी where does Hindu worship where do Hindus worship kindly answer me in the chat box I am asking Askari. Okay, yes, you are right. Good. Okay, students, I think all of you are done with the work and yes, in temples. Askari का मुझे answer नहीं आया या maybe दिया हो I was unable to hear him. Okay. So kids, that is all for our today's lecture. I'm sure everything is well understood and you have enjoyed our first virtual class. Let me know अच्छा लगा काम करके यहाँ पे मज़ा आया ओके गुड वो तो मैं कॉपीज जब चेक करूँगी व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू चेक द कॉपीज एंड आई विल कम टू नो दैट हाउ वाज दैट ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स ऑल ऑफ यू टेक केयर Allah Hafiz stay home stay safe and study hard okay जी मैं किसी को अगर if there is any query you can ask me regarding today's lecture okay okay right we will check copies as we do okay Allah Hafiz take care all of you and please keep studying hard okay Allah Hafiz take care